Welcome to Padu Motivations. Are you tired of the same old boring horn sound for your Tesla? Well, unfortunately, Teslas, you can actually change or replace the horn sound from what you just heard to something cool, hip, and vibrant. So let's get into it. I'm gonna show you how to change it, and I'm gonna preview all the cool horn sounds as well so you get to hear them. Let's get into it. Okay, first I'm gonna show you how to change the horn sound. I'm gonna actually have you hear some of the cool horn sounds. So here it is. All you want to do is go to the toy box icon. Okay, if you do not see that, you want to click on these three little buttons, and you go to toy box this way. So it's in either spot. So you want to go to toy box. Now, what you want to do is go to the boom. I have it already on the boombox feature. It may be on some random stuff. So make sure it's on the boombox feature right here, and you go to horn sound. You want to make sure that's pressed, and we're going to replace the horn sound. Okay, so now we have that done. So now you have all the various horn sounds. Okay, so you know what? Let's listen to the fart horn sound, and you can preview right here. Boy, that was a long one. Got the fart, all right? And you have the posh.
Well, I never.
Okay, let's check this out. Toss a coin.
Toss a coin to your witcher.
That's interesting. Okay. Let me know which one you like the best. Let's try the goat sound. I think that's going to be pretty cool. Let's see the goat sound. Let's preview that. Imagine pressing that. That'll get somebody's attention for sure. Okay. They go to old school horn. I know a lot of my viewers love this one. It's the old school horn. Well, that's probably back in the late 1800s, 19, whenever they first made cars. Okay. Let's do the applause. This is kind of cool. This has got to be cool. Preview. All right, let's try that. Let's see. Ta-da! This is for my musicians. That's cool stuff right there. Okay, ta-da. Then you have badamtas. Now this is for my musicians right here. Check this out. Boom. I wish I could play the drum like that. That's good. All right, we got that. DJ. That'll get somebody's attention for sure. Now I'm going to tell you something. This is one of my favorite horn sounds. La cucaracha. Check this out. It sounds like the Kentucky Derby. Okay, so that's how you replace the horn sounds. I just let you listen to them. So you know what? Please, hey, like and subscribe. If you like content like this, please like and subscribe. We'll see you at the next video.